Hello everyone, this is Kirit and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions, and you are watching 7 steps of learning English fast. And today we are going to discuss about third steps, that is building your vocabulary. Before I start with the video, I would request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. So let's get started. Guys, in this video series we are learning that how you can learn English very fast, and today the third step is start building vocabulary, which means how you can improve your vocabulary. So today we are going to discuss about a few habits that will help you to build a great vocabulary bank, right? So very first step is start listening English podcast. So if you are listening that English podcast from the native English speakers, then definitely you will get lots of new words with maybe phrases, and that will give you a very much confident in speaking English, because the more vocabulary you will have, the more fluent you can be, the more confident you will be. And for that, English podcast is a great resources for your English input. Second step is start listening English songs, right? English songs have, maybe it may be difficult for you to recognize what the exact the lyrics is, right? But I'll give you the tip. What you can do is you can just go on Google, have that lyrics in front of you, and then start listening. And the songs, definitely you will enjoy the music, and at the same time you will be able to make out with a big amounts of new vocabularies that will help you to build your vocabulary bank, right? These two things are going to very great amount of real English vocabularies. Third step is start reading. You know, in our systems, that is LSRW, L, right? Listening and reading. These are the inputs for our brain. Brain is our language acquisitions device, LAD, and for that reading is also a very important part, right? What you can do? You have to read. You have to read a lot. No matter which topic you are reading, maybe you are good, you really like to maybe music, or maybe you like to watch out the cricket. So you start reading those maybe Hollywoods or Bollywoods magazines, or maybe you can start having that cricket stars interview in English. Or if you are good that novel reader, then again you can start reading English novels. But start reading. Reading is very powerful tools to improve your overall English, and definitely for improve your vocabulary. Next and last step is start reading dictionary. You know, reading a dictionary is a great habit if you can have, because you will learn a very or maybe prominent words every single day, and have a habit that you learn at least 2 words per day, and at the end of the year you will find that maybe thousands of words you will automatically learn, because you will not learn only 1 word, right? That is my next tip is, right? So always learn the root of words, and with that you will learn multiple words from 1 word. So reading a dictionary is amazing tips or amazing habits to build good amount of vocabulary. And if you can do this only one habit can make you a very confident in English speaking journey, and your journey will be very fast. Last tip is, or I would say it's a bonus tips, that this I already talked about. Learn from root of words. Just say for example, I will give you one word is like hill, right? H-E-A-L, hill. Let's say this is one word that you learn today, and only from one word, how many words you can be, right? So very first word is like health, healthy, health conscious, healthness, healthless, right? So there are so many words you can learn likewise. Let me give you another one more example. Just say for example that we talked about, that is knowledge, right? So the root word of the knowledge is know, K-N-O-W, and from know, it's basically information, knowledge, knowledgeable, knowledgeless, right? There are so many words you can learn likewise, and it's very easy, right? So here are we have learned, or we have talked about the few habits that can help you to build your vocabulary, right? So our first tip is start listening English podcast. Another one is start listening English music. Third point was start reading. Then another point was start reading English dictionary. And last but not least is start to learn from root words. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends and family member. And if you want to know more or anything from us, then please give us questions in comment box. We will definitely help you out with latest topic. And at the end of the video, please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep watching, and keep growing. Thank you so much.